Replacing the disc or skirt on this pool vacuum is about the easiest thing to replace on it. As you can see, the old one is very flimsy and torn. They don't usually get this way very quick, but long story short, too much chemicals that was thrown in by the pool man will wear these very quick. I suggest taking it out of the pool if you need to overload it with chemicals more than usual. The new one is very sturdy compared to the old one. This old one sags down so much that it gets sucked up into the vacuum when landing from the side walls to the floor of the pool. And that's something you want to look out for because it could damage your pump by blocking the suction. To take it off, just pull it away from the inside groove of the foot pad by stretching it, and it comes right off. Putting it back is the same in reverse. As you can see the groove around the foot pad much better now. Just start inserting on one end and stretch it all the way around the foot pad. Once done, make sure it rotates freely around the foot pad and you're all done. You can see the difference on this new one. Very rigid. And that's about it. You have now completed the installation. I hope this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video, and you all have a great day.